How to find the downloaded files in Telegram. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and here I'm gonna show you how you can solve this problem. So to know how to do it, watch this video till the end and follow all these steps. So you might have some problem that might not show the files, photos, videos that you have downloaded from Telegram to your device. So how can you solve it? So it might be some of the problem from your software or also might be some of the problems like this. So watch this video till the end. Long press on Telegram and tap on the I option. That is the option of app info. When you tap on the option of app info, you will now see many options right here. Tap on permissions from here. After you tap on permission, make sure you allow all the permissions. Especially if the files are not being shown, then make sure you have tap also allow the permission of storage and camera and other things as well. After allowing the permission of everything, go on manage notification. After going on manage notifications, simply allow every notifications from here. When we go on the internal, we can see other options here. So it's not important to allow these notifications, the internal notifications right here. After you do this, you can simply see the photos and videos and all the files. But if you still don't see it, then there is only one option that you can do. Go on the Google Play Store of your phone. On the top search bar, search for Telegram right here. Uninstall it and again install it. After installing it, just restart your phone by simply long pressing on the power off button, and then you will be able to see the option of restart, and then restart your phone and open it again, and then your problem might be solved. If it does not solve again, then you can report the issue to the Telegram and see if it does give feedback. And if it still does not work, then you might try using your other number, and that's how only you can use Telegram. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe our channel for more videos like this and also comment on the comment section. Thank you.